Right, so now that we have replaced the fuel filter, we need to bleed the system. Unfortunately for us, there is no relay. You can bypass and do it the short way without using a diagnostic machine, so you're gonna have to use it. So today we're gonna use the Launch X431, and to do this we're gonna go to local diagnose. We're gonna go to Hyundai, and you're gonna choose Hyundai and OK. Yep, I know, sorry, you're a bit low on battery, but I'll charge you after this. Okay, yes, this is our Tucson. We're gonna go straight to system selection. We're gonna go to engine control module, and then we're gonna go to special function right here, and then we got fuel line air remove. So we're gonna click that one, and what you'll do is you run the pump for about 30 seconds. And I always like to run the pump 2 times to make sure it will start easily without running the high pressure fuel pump without fuel, and also not putting a lot of pressure on the battery also. Okay, 27, 28, and that's it. So let's do it again. Alright, so we're gonna have to come out of special function. Let's go back in special function, and let's do it again. For some reason it doesn't allow you to do it twice in a row without getting in and out of the special function. Either way, as long as it works, I'm happy with that. Okay, almost there. Okay, that's it. Now let's start engine. System check. And as you've seen, started first time by just doing it 2 times in a row, and I believe that is the best way to do it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you find it useful, and I wish you a lovely day.